make me call somebody. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is April. If you couldn't tell by the title already, today we are combining all 5 of my Monstera Deliciosa into one giant pot. I'm really nervous to do this because these things are freaking huge. Like, this leaf is as big as my face. And I have to put them all, well, I don't have to. I want to put them all into one pot because watering all 5 of these is starting to get a little bit time consuming, and I feel like they require a lot of water. So I think having them in one pot will make them a lot easier to manage. So a little backstory on this plant. I bought it as one full plant of Monstera Deliciosa, and then I ended up propagating the shit out of it, and I was left with 5 individual plants. They were very small when I first transferred them to LECA. If you want to go watch that video, I'll link it below. I think now they're all about 3 feet tall, and it's getting to the point where every time I see a new leaf, I get nervous. I'm like, where am I going to put this huge plant? It's getting harder to take pictures of them. I can't really get a good picture of a full plant because it's just so big. I think they would look better all put back together into one pot. I'm really happy with the way they've grown. They're so big now, but I do want to have a big bushy plant. So if that's something you're interested in, pray for your girl and just keep watching. Before we jump into the video, I mentioned in my last video that I was getting my #1 wish list plant. And if you follow my Instagram, I'm pretty sure you've already seen it a bunch of times. I got an elbow. Woo, woo. I'm so freaking happy. Look how cute it is. Naturally, I ripped it out of its home. I think it came in sphagnum moss. Yeah, it did come in sphagnum moss because I was ripping it off of the roots for like 20 minutes. Mother's first elbow. How freaking exciting. Back to your spot, baby. So I got this huge pot to combine all of my Monstera in. I don't even remember what plant I ever had in this pot. It's like pretty big compared to my head. This thing is huge, and it's heavy, and it's dirty. I need to wipe that out. I'm just a little concerned because this pot is so freaking heavy already, and I can't imagine how much heavier it's gonna be with all this LECA in it. Let's get to it. So I'm just gonna, is that a book? I can't even believe I'm about to do this. This is as clean as it's getting. It has a plug on the bottom, which I'm very grateful for. I think we should start with the biggest one. Oh my God, I'm so scared to do all of this, honestly. If I don't just start doing this, this video is gonna take an hour. So I gotta just, damn, I got the shittiest scissors in the house. Why did I grab these ones? They don't even cut. Cut this shit off. Okay, it's off. It's off of the bamboo stick. We have to do these one at a time. Like, there's no way. Maybe I can cut them all off. No, I'm not doing that. I'm scared. I'm just gonna start by dumping, I guess. I'm scared. Okay, I don't know what to do. I'm taking a plant stand. Oh, these things are just so big, it's so crazy. Like, what? You're stuck? How are you stuck? What? It's, huh? I don't under, oh. I'm so scared there's bugs in here, honestly. Oh my God. I knew I was gonna get hot doing this. Oh, no, not a mess. That's what we not gonna do. I got this black tarp that's meant to repot plants in that I literally never use. This is just so LECA doesn't get everywhere. It's getting everywhere anyway. Are you shitting me? Oh my God, I can't breathe. This is the second one. Sorry you can't see things well, but everything is just so crazy right now. I'm placing this one on the floor like I did the last one, and we're gonna yank them out. Oh, this one's easier. This one's easier, I can tell. I did pull out the biggest Monstera first, this one. So that's probably why it was so hard to get out. It's the biggest, so it was the most root bound for sure. This is what this one looks like. Ew, it's so juicy. Okay. I just let that nasty ass water drip on my hand like how gross. Please don't snap, please. I'm begging you, please don't snap. Please. My camera's overheating. I have 3 more Monstera, but I'm only gonna put 2 more in here. One, because this thing, I can't wait till you guys see the finished result, but it's freaking huge already with just the 2 Monstera in it. And the third one that I have is more so a baby Monstera, and it has a new leaf coming out right now, so I don't really like to transfer plants when they have a new leaf coming out. I can't breathe. On to the next, on. All right, April, chill. Put this here, cut her off the bamboo stick. Oh shit. Oh my God, this is so heavy. Oh my God. I'll try to show you guys, but oh my God, this is so heavy. Ah! This is gonna break any second. Ew, I touched it, ew, I touched it, ew, I'm touching it, ew, I'm touching it. Ah, I touched it. Yep, this leaf just snapped, but we'll let him yellow and die off on his own. So, does this need to still be here? Yeah, kinda. Yeah, kinda, it does. Kinda, it does. I think they'll stand up a lot more once the whole pot's filled with LECA. I'm so sorry you can't see me. Do you guys even watch these videos to see me or see the plants though? Let's be real. Oh, shut up. Ew, why do they have to drip like that? So fucking gross. This must have been the most juvenile one because the root system is the smallest in my opinion. Oh, we just stuck her in there. Boom. Okay, we have to fill the rest of this pot with LECA. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we'll figure it out. April, why did you do this? Ah! Oh my God, there's so many that are leaned over. I'm scared. This is terrible. This is terrible, this is terrible, this is terrible. Oh my God. Okay. Ah! Jesus Christ, somebody please help me. I'm gonna have to fix this and I'll come back when I'm done fixing this. They're all in. You see all these freaking vines? They're all in. Be right back. Wow, I'm mad dumb. This is some of the LECA that was left when I was done, so I'm just gonna top it off. Is it good? Is it good? Like, this shit ain't even standing up right. I'm gonna grab that white stool that you see back there. This thing literally has like 40 leaves on it. Just kidding, I have no idea if there's 40 leaves on here, but holy shit! Because I want to try to like pick it up and show you, but it's like, oh my God, I don't think I can pick this up. That's not good. You see how small my arm is? I can't pick this up, but I'm gonna have to because I can't stay in the middle of my living room. Oh my God, somebody pray for me. I'm so scared to pick this shit up. And like what part's gonna be against the wall? I don't know. Take a deep breath in. Ugh. Oh my. Need to get my life back right. Let me just catch my breath, I'm sorry. That shit was heavy. I'm so thankful and grateful that I did this because now I have a whole new plant that I'm in love with. And it feels so good, I'm so happy. Like, what? I was watering 5 huge Monstera in those glass containers when I could have had one big massive one. I really had no idea. I know it's in a pot that I can't see the water level, but there was a lot of water in the glass containers that I emptied into the big pot, so I know they won't need water for a while. I would usually have to fill up their reservoirs every 2 weeks, so I think I'm gonna just top it off about once a week now since there are 4 plants. 4 large root-bound plants inside of this huge pot now. All of the plants that I transferred today are about to get a new leaf as well. I can see the little lump poking. This is crazy. It's massive. It really is massive. I love it so much. Before we go, I did want to show you guys a little varicosum update. You can't tell me you don't see that. I'm so excited. And now you can actually see the growth point. Oh, Fuck. It's a glare for me. You can actually see this growth point that I was talking about because it's popping up through the glass now. And I also did cut off the dead part of this leaf and line it with cinnamon. Doesn't look like it's gotten any more dead since doing so. That does bring me to the end of today's video. Subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up for breaking my back today. That shit was heavy. Follow my Mother of Plants Instagram because you know I love to stay there. And until my next video, bye. My God, I am not made to carry heavy things. Please don't snap, please.